Have you ever started a business, or thought about starting one, only to be overwhelmed by the mountain of paperwork and confusing legal jargon? Did you find yourself wondering what an articles of organization is, or why you need a registered agent, let alone what happens if you miss an important filing deadline? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs and even seasoned business owners find themselves adrift in the complex sea of state filings and legal notices. It's a common misconception that once you have a brilliant business idea, the hard part is over. In reality, that's just the beginning. The legal framework surrounding business formation and ongoing compliance can be incredibly intricate, varying significantly from state to state. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into building your dream, only to have it jeopardized by a missed deadline or an improperly filed document. The consequences can range from hefty fines and penalties to losing your limited liability protection, or even having your business dissolved by the state. This isn't just about avoiding trouble. It's about establishing a strong, legally sound foundation that allows your business to thrive and grow with confidence. Think about it. Every successful enterprise, from the smallest local shop to the largest multinational corporation, operates within a complex web of legal requirements. These aren't arbitrary rules. They're designed to ensure transparency, protect consumers, and maintain a fair business environment. But for the average entrepreneur, deciphering these requirements can feel like learning a new language. You're busy innovating, serving customers, and managing your team. The last thing you need is to spend countless hours researching state statutes or agonizing over the precise wording of legal documents. This is where understanding services like LegalZoom becomes not just beneficial, but essential for many. They aim to demystify these processes, providing a streamlined path for businesses to meet their state filing obligations and manage critical legal notices without needing to become legal experts themselves. But what exactly do these services entail? How do they help businesses navigate the often confusing landscape of compliance? And are they truly a viable alternative to traditional legal counsel, especially for common business needs? Today, we're diving deep into the world of LegalZoom's state filings and legal notices services. We'll break down what these critical aspects of business operation mean, why they matter, and how a platform like LegalZoom can simplify them, saving you time, stress, and potentially a lot of money. We'll explore the various types of state filings, the importance of a registered agent, how legal notices function, and how LegalZoom assists businesses in staying compliant and informed. So, if you're ready to gain clarity on these crucial legal components and understand how to leverage modern solutions for your business's legal health, keep watching. Let's start with state filings. When you establish a legal entity for your business, such as an LLC or a corporation, you're not just creating a name. You're creating a legal person recognized by the state. This recognition comes with a set of responsibilities, primarily in the form of filings with the relevant state agencies, most commonly the Secretary of State. The very first state filing you'll typically encounter is the Articles of Organization for an LLC, or Articles of Incorporation for a corporation. This document officially establishes your business entity with the state. It usually includes crucial information like your business name, the address of your registered agent, more on this soon, and sometimes the purpose of your business. Each state has its own specific requirements for what must be included in these initial articles, and missing even a small detail can lead to delays or rejection. LegalZoom provides guided questionnaires that walk you through this process, ensuring you provide all the necessary information and that your documents are prepared in a format acceptable to your specific state. They then handle the submission to the state, often offering expedited filing options for an additional fee if you're in a hurry. Beyond the initial formation, businesses also have ongoing state filing requirements. The most common of these is the annual report, sometimes called a biennial report or statement of information, depending on the state. This report provides the state with updated information about your business, such as current addresses, names of officers or members, and sometimes a summary of your business activities. These reports are crucial for maintaining your good standing with the state. Failure to file an annual report can lead to significant penalties, including late fees, loss of good standing, and in severe cases, the administrative dissolution of your business. This means your limited liability protection could be revoked, exposing your personal assets to business liabilities. LegalZoom's compliance services often include features like compliance calendars and automated reminders, helping you track these critical deadlines and ensuring your annual reports are filed on time. They can even prepare and file these reports on your behalf, taking that burden off your shoulders. Another common state filing scenario arises when your business undergoes changes. For example, if you change your business name, address, or registered agent, you'll likely need to file an amendment with the state. If you expand your business to operate in a new state, you'll need to file for foreign qualification in that state, essentially registering your existing entity to do business there. These filings ensure that the state's records accurately reflect your business's current status, which is vital for legal and operational purposes. LegalZoom offers services to prepare and file these amendments and foreign qualification documents, simplifying what can otherwise be a confusing and time-consuming process of deciphering state-specific forms and procedures. Now, let's talk about legal notices. This is where the concept of a registered agent, also sometimes called a statutory agent or agent for service of process, becomes paramount. Every formally registered business entity in every state is required to have a registered agent. This isn't just a formality. It's a critical component of legal compliance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.